Hello traders, welcome to TFX family. I believe you are doing great. I'm on a live trading now, and I just want to show you the power of a signal generating EA and the secret of the strategy that I promised that I will have a private videos for everyone to be profitable. Now I'm doing this video live on my live account, as you can see. And I want to show you how confident I am with my strategy of mastering gold. As you can see, we have 3 minutes because we two charts for minute 3 because the scalping is done on minute 3, and I have also a minute 15 at this point, something that you are familiar with about the support resistant, whatever, whatever. But what I'm doing here, it is still the combination of a full price action after the system analyzes the market. Now here you can see we have the rejection, and the rejection on a minute 15. And as you can see already, my system has indicated a buy. But I'm not going to buy this signal. I'm going to wait for what you can see now. The minute 3 also gives me a buy a signal, but still I'm not going to buy it. I will show you when to buy, and I'm about to buy. There is a confirmation of a strength candle. Also, I'm waiting for the system to give me that alert. All right. So again here, it is the template or another template of minute 3. All right. So let's see how this market's gonna go, because it's about, the good thing with this system is that when the market is about to buy or to sell, my friend, according to my strategy, it won't fail. It won't fail you guys. Let us wait and see. Let us wait and see. Let me show you another confirmation. As you can see here, I have a minute 3 confirmation, and I have the second minute 3 confirmation before I enter the market. It's simple as that. After you watch the video on our private, because there is a full course about the system, full course, and now I'm training people on how to trade gold, because we have mastered and program the system to analyze the market the way we want. So your work is very, very simple. You only wait for the last confirmation, then you enter the market. As you can see here, everything has lined. All right. So it's either this market can break this support and continue going up. That is the reason as to why there is no a clear short here. I will take you through on our private video. You'll know why, because earlier maybe you will have entered, oh, I have seen buy here, there is a confirmation minute 15 here, buy, even minute 10 it's buy, minute 20 buy, because we don't go beyond minute 20. So now it is a hit and run strategy. All right, so someone would have bought at that one, but be patient with the market. Let's see where this market will go. So I think, because you can see where the market is, I can pause, because I don't want it to be that long. I just want to pause to have my final confirmation. You can mark even the level that we are in, 148481 here, so we can go up. So we can draw the line here, because we're expecting to hit and run at this area. So if my system close with my strength candle, because it must show the strength candle here for a bullish, like here you can see there was a strength bar here for a bullish. Not every strength bar or whatever you can trade with. That's why we have mastered this thing. You don't enter earlier, you don't enter when there is no a clear confirmation of buy. It's very simple as that. Trust me, I'm waiting a very simple thing now to buy this market. A very simple one. All right. And if I go here to minute 2, so where am I expecting this market? Already the minute 3 here, it is to help you understand where you can set your profit to this high. And again, we can set our profit at 80% to this swing high. So let's wait as I pause for a little while before we take my market. So the moment market will close above this one, I do believe it will give me another confirmation. This is a control shift. It has already tells us to buy, but you can see the market is still consolidating. How do I know that it is not the right time to buy this market? Yet we can see everything is confirmed. That is the secret now. All right, so let me pause for a while, then I will be back when everything aligns. All right, I'm just pausing for a few minutes, but I can see the market is coming on our way. I don't know whether it is in the next 3 minutes. Let's see where the market will close in the next 3 minutes or 6 minutes. Then I will continue with the video, right? Yeah, I'm back. If there is something very, very important I wanted you to distinguish in this 3 minute three time frame. Let's go here. You can see something has changed, and now this one has become our high. All right, this one has become our high. Why is it like that? Because it is a hit and run. We don't need to trade far, and if you want to hold more, you can see the second minute three tells you that we can set our TP here or we can set it here. All right, I know the reason as to why I want to set it at this point, but because it is a hit and run, there is another position we can add at this point so that we can reach here. But the first entry, all right, the first entry must be here. All right, the first entry must be here before we give another second entry at this point and last at this point, or we can trade to this area, but we enter only like twice in one signal. That is the best thing, and that's why we have these three. But the details of this minute three time frame have already I will explain into details in our course because it is one by one, right, guys? So let's be patient. Again, let me pause, then I'll be back. Yes, the second thing, I'm back again. The second thing to confirm about this one, it is when we can re-enter the market. You can not just re-enter because I'm saying here we can re-enter this market. No, the minute three, according to the first one, according to the analysis of the system, if we can re-enter the market, so the market must the market must break this zone and close with a strength candles that shows a buy momentum. You can see it is very easy to know if you can re-enter the market again or if you won't enter the market. So this means that if you are fearing, maybe let's say because here there is a full of consolidation here, and maybe you don't want to enter until the market breaks this area, the system has already drawn the dangerous area that if we break this area, then we are very confident and confidential to reach into our this high now. All right, this high, it is the one we are talking about here. So we have confidence that we'll reach it to this point and the market will reverse very, very clearly. But the other things that we don't enter exactly to set our TP there, we can set even 80% of the where we are expecting, because the strategy here, it is for hit and run. This is why you can see here it is hit and run, and by the end of the day you will make a good clear. So we don't have to think about short, long, or whatever. This is a hit and run a strategy. All right, so guys, that's why it's very important we are working with this minute 3-2 time frame. One, it is to confirm the danger zone or the zone that we are waiting for the market to break so that we can enter the market confidently knowing that we have already broken the zone. So it is the work of the system to analyze and to align everything clearly, so that you can see them. You can see the market is consolidating here. Someone says, oh, this market gonna go up or down. All right, we don't know. No one controls the market. We wait for our strategy to line. So this is why even if there was all this thing, I knew that the market can consolidate. That is the best thing about my strategy, because you cannot and you can never enter the market, and even also you can detect when the market is about to consolidate. All right. So when the market is ranging, it's very easier to understand according to our courses. I will take you through step by step so that you don't enter the market, because the system can detect that the market is consolidating. So that's why I didn't enter the buy here. Someone said, oh, I will bank to this. No, 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 no. It is the strategy that works. It is not what you think or what maybe you want, but the strategy that you have. So we are waiting for some changes even here to know the confidence, because even here it can change and give us now the confidence of buying long. And our buying long, we don't go long. It is a hit and run strategy. By the end of the day, you have a good profit. All right. The other thing, where we attach our signal generating EA, we attach our signal generating EA at minute 15. So when we see, or when we find now a good entry point at this point, oh my, trust me, we are going to enter the trades in minute 14. So minute 15, sorry. So we are waiting to see how this market will react. And I think now it has closed. Let me see. Yeah, it has opened. So immediately after that, now we can enter a buy positions. All right. So we can enter the buy position there. All right. And now let's watch and see. You can see where our TP is. So we are waiting to have some good profit here. Then you can see we are in 365. Then we can wait for the system to close. All right, guys. Let me pause and watch the trades, how they will go. I just want you to see what is happening now. We are already in profit. Oh, we are already in profit. I don't want to show that. I just want you to see after 365 what we are expecting. All right. So then again, we can change our TP. Let me see what we can do. Where is our TP? No, our TP is here. No, so let's wait for the market. And you can see we can enter the market even when there is a consolidation. And we can be in a good profit, all right? So then again, we can set even our TP at this lowest if we don't want to go to this area, because this is a consolidating market, but we are in a good profit. So for instance, let me show you, because we are about to get there. But if I right click, we are in a 365. Let's wait for the market to reach into that area so that even we can close it manually for you to see the power of hit and run. Hit and runs. Now all position TP we have changed into this direction, and let's wait to see the system taking the profit. And I want to add more positions. Let's wait. Let's wait, guys. This is the power. Even you can trade in a consolidation if you understand the system now. And I'm the one to take you through, because now we have every confirmation here. There is something I didn't tell you here, because that is the secret that I don't want to reveal online. So everyone must know that the system is working. So let's wait and see. Sometimes when someone in trading live account, sometimes you may pack in, oh, my friend, I think I should take that profit. No, just wait. Be patient, my friend. Be patient, because we're gonna go far with this system, all right? But that's what's called hit and run. That is what is called hit and run. So let us wait and see the market to hit our TP. It must, and I'm saying this, it must, right? It must hit our TP, and when the market breaks this area again, we can re-enter. And this is a consolidating market, so the market can start again going like that. So then again, we can right click here. Let me do this, because we know we are already, no. Let's go. That's another confirmation of a bullish market. Oh my, that's another good and clear confirmation. My friend, I've studied this gold and I'm very, very happy and glad. And I thank God. If you stick in one thing, let believe me, you're gonna make a big change in your life. I've been trading a lot of things, but this time around, I've decided to stick on God. I've learned the character of gold. I've learned a lot of things, a lot of secret that I've never even had anyone talking about. All right, I don't say there is no gold, there is gurus and gurus, but everybody has his own secret outside, and that all secret it has been programmed on this our system, and it is very easy, guys. If you can watch those video, it's very easy. So guys, let me pause just a few minutes before it hits the TP, so everyone can see where the price is. It's trying to reverse, but trust me, this candle can if it will come here, then again I can add more position. So we're waiting for this candle again to come along this where our position is. Then from there, I can enter other position confidently, knowing that now when the market come close, I'm still adding the positions here. You can add them also manually, and it will give us a very good profit, guys. A very good profit. I'm very confident. Why am I adding position? So I don't just add position because I want to add position. No, I add position because there is a confirmation that gives me that confidence of adding position. I told you, and just wait and see how this candle will close with the week. It will close with the week and hit our TP at that area. Just wait and see a good profit there when this candle closes with a good week. All right. So just wait and see. You will see what I'm telling you. And on my video, I'll tell you why I'm very confident that this candle will close with the week and hit our TP. Just wait and see. Just wait and see. This market must go up. All right. It must give us a good profit. Or how many minutes? Or the other candle, it's about to open. See what I'm talking about. The other candle, it's about to open. So if the under candle open at this point, then again it can drop somehow and go up, or else this candle is the one to give us a good profit. And now trust me, because of the trades we added, all right, this is how you added more trades. Now see, let's go to our TP now. Confidently, you can see the candle formation. We are in a good profit because of adding more position. Oh my, what a sweet thing. So if I can right click here right now and I think to close all, you won't imagine the profit that will be. Someone is asking, oh, why no, you're not showing us the profit there? No. I don't want you to watch my profit. I want you to watch the power of the system. That is the most important thing. People are always, not all, many, but many people are always interested in seeing the other people's result instead of seeing the power of the strategy that they are using. So here I'm showing the power of this strategy that you can trade even when the market is trying to consolidate. So let's give it a few seconds before reaching to our TP, right? So guys, you can see where we are. We are almost there because the market is consolidating. It's not clear. So let's do this. Where is this thing? Let's close. Yeah. We are about to hit our take profit. Boom. The take for profit, it's already done. We are there. All right. We are there now. See what's happening here. We are done. All right. We are done. The signal is still there. Oh, it's a hit our take profit. And now let's see from 365. What do you see here? What do you see? I told you guys it will hit our take profit. And we are waiting again for this market to break this zone. at this area so that we can re-enter the market to this stage. So we have entered and traded the consolidated market as simple as that from 365. Now you can see we are in $1,278. Now again, it has closed the area. I think so. Let's go. No, it's still down the area, so we are not going to re-enter. And if I will enter, I will re-enter this market. I will make sure I will share my screenshot on our Telegram in order to see, because if it will close this area, trust me, I will re-enter again this market from 360 and 65 live trading. This is what I'm telling you about the power of this system and where this system can take you. Because I don't want this video to be long, follow us on our Telegram so that again you can see the performance if we re-entered this market. So now you can see the power of the system. No drawdown, blah, blah, my friend. It's all about studying something and studying the software. So thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.